Tin planter is a considered made from metal tin. After use from planting and displaying various plants, these planters can come in different sizes, shapes and designs to suit your gardening and decoration preferences. Here are some key points about tin planters. Materials. Tin planters are typically made from thin sheets metal such as steel or tin plate. They can have various finishes including natural metal, painted, rusted or etched from rustic look. Design. Tin planters can range from simple and utilization of oriented decoration. Some may be embossed patterns or designs on the surface, while others have a sleek and modern appearance. Size. You can find tin planters in various sizes from small containers suitable from single planters or succulents to larger options that can accommodate multiple plants, small trees. Shapes. Tin planters come in a variety of shapes including round, square, rectangular, oval and even custom shapes. The shape you can choose can influence the overall aesthetic of your plant arrangement. Indoor and outdoor use. Depending on their finch and design, tin planters can be used both indoors and outdoors. Ensure they have a proper drainage from outdoor use, prevent waterlogging. Versatility. Tin planters are aid and can be used for a wide range of plants, including flowers, herbs, succulents, and small shrubs. They can also be repurposed for various decorative purposes. So, hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So, here are new. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. So in this video you can see here 10 planter ideas. So dye options. If you are feeling creative, you can repurpose all 10 containers such as vintage tea tins or cookie tins into unique planters by adding drainage holes and layer of soil. Tin planters offer a durable and visually appealing way to showcase your plants. Whether you are looking for a sleek modern look or a rustic edged appearance, they can be used in a variety of settings from gardens and balconies to indoor shapes, adding a touch of style to your plant display. When it comes to using the color of metal tin decorations from your plants, consider the following options and how they can complement your overall design aesthetic. Natural metal finish. The natural silver and grey finish of tin provide a clean and industrial look. It pairs well with various plants colors and adds a modern touch to your decor. Rustic or edged finish. If you prefer a more rustic or vintage look, opt for tin with an edged or rustic finish. This can create a charming contrast with a vibrant green plants or color flowers. Painted tins. You can paint the metal tins in any color that complements your plant's foliage or your interior decor. Earthy tones like greens, browns, and muted blues can enhance the natural feel, while bolder colors can add a pop of fabric. Neutral tones, white cream or matte black tin containers provide a wastage backdrop for any plant color. They offer a sleek and contemporary appearance that can blend ceremony with various design styles. Patrons are decorative tints. Tints in the intricate patterns of designs can be focal point in your decor. Choose patterns that complement your plant colors or create a visual component constant for added interact. So kindly subscribe our channel if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Metal tin planters can be stylish addition to your garden or home decor. Here are some creative ideas for using metallic tin planters. Herb garden. Use small metal tins to create a compact herbs garden from mine, window sill or balcony. Label each tin with the herb's name of easy identification. Hanging planters. Hang planters tins with ropes or chains to create vertical garden. This is a space saving and eye catching way to display your favorite plants. Succulents arrangements. Plants a variety of succulents in a shallow, wide metal tin succulents thrive in the well draining containers and the tin adds rustic touch to the arrangement. Flower centerpieces use decorative metal tins and centerpieces for all special occasions. Fill them with seasonal flowers to create stunning focal point for your table. Wall art. Arrange a collection of metal tins in a strict pattern on a wall and plant different flower succulents in them. This creates a unique living wall art piece. Miniature fairy garden. Create a miniature fairy garden inside a metal tinny. By adding small plants, uh, figures, and accessories. Kitchen holders. Repurpose a large metal tin as a stylish kitchen holder. Blend into the major kitchen decoration and it will be double functional piece of art. Vertical heartbreak. Attach multiple metal tins of wooden block and hang on your kitchen wall for a space-saving vertical herb garden. Indoor tree planters use large metal tin and plant small indoor tree like a ficus or rubber plants. The metallic finish can be complement modern industrial decor. Remember to provide proper drainage for your plants by drilling holes in the bottom of tins and adding a layer of gravel or small stones before potting soil. This will help prevent overwatering and root. Vintage decoration hunt for vintage or antique metal tins at thrift stores or free marks used as a decorator plants. Thanks for watching. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.